LENO State Park Adventure 2. Located in High Springs, Florida, about 30 minutes north of Gainesville. LENO is one of Florida's first state parks, established in 1940. We started our adventure at the popular river trail. You started by crossing the Santa Fe River via the suspension bridge that was built in the 1930s by the CCC, the Civilian Conservation Corps. The river trail is a beautiful 1.5-mile trail that meanders along the river and in the woods. You have boardwalks to cross. You see a lake formed by the river. If you want to check out our channel, we have the whole virtual hike on there. So check out our channel. It's River Trail LENO at LENO State Park virtual hike. An interesting part of this trail and for the whole park is it takes you to the river sink where the Santa Fe River stops and disappears underground, and then it re-emerges 3 miles south at the River Rise State Park. There's a very interesting story of how the park got its name. The town was originally called Keno, after the very popular lottery gambling game back then, and then they wanted a post office here, but they were denied because of their correlation with the game of gambling to the name. So they just changed it from Keno to LENO. And then it was a very industrious town in the late 1800s. But then once the South Florida and Western Railroad bypassed them, it became a ghost town, and then the locals just called it Old Leno, and later it was called Leno. And then this area was used for forestry training, and then later on turned into the state park. A lot of the structures and buildings near the river and the picnic area were made by the CCC. There's also a statue to pay tribute to their past. Hey, we got to see some wildlife before we left. There was a couple doe walking along the road as we were leaving. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our channel where we're going to have virtual hikes. We're going to have quick information videos about national parks and state parks. And of course, our adventures in these places, because adventures are out there. Are you?